大家好，我是四九，
我是六六。
我们今天去农场。
Oh, don't know this word.
I just look it up.
Yeah, that's correct. 对，我们今天要去农场，然后在香港的一个小岛上。
So it's quite funny because I'm from a small farm.
Yeah, 我们现在就出发啦，拜拜，待会儿见。
Bye bye. So we're in the minibus now and we're going to Cycle. From there we will take a boat. We're a bit late, so I hope we can make it on time.
我们现在已经在船上啦，然后现在马上就要到了很近的一个小岛。
We almost missed it, but we made it. So yeah.
我们不是最后一个，还有人比我们晚。哇，这里真的太可爱了！我没想到这里面很多。哇，这个真的太美了，比我想象中的太……哇 ！We have some good pictures, please now. 好美啊，这里！哇，真的没有想到，我以为这真的是农场。
How do you feel? The first time picking some vegetable?
I feel not good actually.
But you're a vegetable yourself.
Hi.
Just kidding. Yeah. So?
开始的时候我觉得很不好，就是我把它那个叶子拔掉的时候，我感觉我在破坏它。但是当我把那个玉米掰下来那一刻，我还是挺开心的，因为感觉有一种收获的感觉。
I didn't pick any corn today because I did that for the bigger part of my life. No, not really, but there was a lot of corn behind our house. We are back inside the building, but actually I still have no idea what this is.
烤一个玉米的什么东西？
牛油玉米。
Is it in the middle or I forgot? I'm not gonna jail. Quarantine. Quarantine.
Yeah, you can taste it. This is corn. Definitely, yeah. Very interesting. In Japan, I didn't know it exists. Oh, we just went back out because everybody was still hungry after those few corn.
我们的指甲。My God, this is my first time to touch the eggs on the
Really?
Yeah.
You never bake anything before?
没有，这种，它的声音有种穿透力。
It misses you.
这手全都是。
We picked the corn, picked some eggplants, now we bake some cookies, and now we have 16 minutes left to get to the ferry because the last one is at 5 p.m. Yeah,
What?
and the cookies take 20 minutes to bake, so let's see how that plays out.
What?
Yeah. Even if it's not 100% healthy.
Why you choose me?
Because it was at a good location and need to give it a chance.
我觉得期待它 茁壮的成长吧。今天我们就准备回去啦，现在已经5点钟了，最后一班船就马上要开了。
So we're going back to the boat. We just made it in time. Cookies are ready.
Yeah.
We have our plant.
Yeah.
We say goodbye to the goats.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Except one goat is coming with me.
Where? 这里真的太美了，我真的特别爱这个地方的景色，非
Yeah.
常非常喜欢。
It's really calming. Close to the sea, so still very, very good location. Jungle, which we are passing now. Just what you need on the weekend to escape the busy city life. Ah, perfect. Umbrella.
我们带着饼干一起出发了。
We are back at the ferry pier. Now we'll take the bus back to the city. Had a good boat trip?
Yes.
We are back in the city. That was a good adventure. Good to go outside the city and have a rest.
Surprise. 对，今天然后很开心，然后那就下一次见吧，下次见。
下次看，拜拜。